You like, oh, there you are. Hi, sweetie. I'm holding you. Are you like a girl? You don't even care, do you? You just let me hold you however I want to. However I want to, don't you? Should we sit down? Oh, ooh, there we are. There's my girl. Oh. Are you purring? Yes, you are. I can't hear it, but I can feel it. You're just kind of always like this, aren't you, kiddo? Just easy going. Whatever happens, happens. You don't care. Right? You don't care. Checking stuff out. Easy goes. Easy, easy. Yeah. Are you curious about what I'm doing? Huh? Are you curious? You done? Okay. Okay. What are you thinking about? Food? What are you gonna do? Some food, maybe? Oh, nice. Well, at least you know she's a clean cat. Okay. That'll be the end of that video.